Danny Peoples' signature moment at NC State is one of the most iconic moments in the history of Wolfpack football. The date was November 1st, 1986. The opponent was South Carolina at Carter Finley Stadium. Peoples reeled in Eric Kramer's 33-yard Hail Mary pass in the end zone for the winning touchdown in NC State's wild and improbable 23-22 victory. As is often the case, though, Peoples' signature moment overshadows a vast body of work Peoples turned in as one of NC State's greatest ever two-sport student athletes. A Raleigh native and honor student who came to NC State from nearby Broughton High School, Peoples is best remembered by most fans for his 4 seasons as a blazing fast wide receiver with the Wolfpack football team from 1985 to 1988. If Peoples' world-class speed helped him stand apart on the football field, it made him one of the greatest performers ever in NC State and Atlantic Coast Conference history in track and field. He was a 9-time All-American, earning All-America honors in 3 different events: the 4x100 relay, the 200 meters, and the 55 meters indoors. As a freshman in 1985, Peoples, Alston Glenn, Harvey McSwain, and Augustin Young won the 1985 National Championship in the 4x100 meter relay, an event the Wolfpack dominated at the conference level, winning the ACC championship all 4 years Peoples competed.
The 4x100 meter relay team qualified to the national championships. There's a qualifying race to get to the finals. We were the last team to qualify to the finals, which means we were racing out of lane 1. Your chances of winning from lane 1 are slim and maybe less than slim. Perfect race, baton kept moving, but I can say this, and I've been doing this a long time. Danny's leg 3, put the baton in position to win, and it was the best leg I've ever seen in the NCAA Nationals.
Peoples' excellence in multiple events led to championships for NC State. In addition to winning the 3rd of his 4 conference titles with the Wolfpack's 4x100 relay team, Peoples won the individual conference championship in the 100 and 200 meter dashes in the 1987 ACC Outdoor Track and Field Championships, leading NC State to the team championship. A year later, he won those same 3 events again and added the individual championship in the long jump to his haul. Not surprisingly, he was named Most Outstanding Performer at the ACC Outdoor Championships both years, the only 2-time winner in school history. He won 13 Atlantic Coast Conference championships in 8 different events. He earned all conference honors 18 times. Peoples balanced athletics, academics, and family like a champion. In addition to starring in 2 sports, he graduated with a 3.2 grade point average in December 1988, earning dual degrees in business and accounting. Drafted by the Tampa Bay Buccaneers in the 2nd round of the 1989 draft, Peoples played 3 seasons in the National Football League with the Buccaneers and Cleveland Browns.
I answer the phone and I'm like, hello, and then Debbie said, this is Debbie Yao, and I'm like, okay, and I'm assuming she's gonna ask me to serve on some committee or ask me some question about something, and she said, congratulations, you've been nominated to be inducted into the Hall of Fame. And I went dead silent, and she was like, are you there? I'm proud of NC State all the way around, and to think that I am in a class of inductees into the Hall of Fame, I'm tremendously proud and incredibly humbled by the honor.